Start.
What are you writing, Ammo? My teacher told to write about what is a tree. For me, a tree is a friend. This is good idea. Let's go and ask others.
Ammu and Bittu set out to ask what is a tree. They meet a farmer on the way.
What is a tree? It is a plug to make to my field ready.
They keep going. They met a fisherman.
Kaka, what is a tree? It is a boat. To carry me across waters.
Next, Ammu and Bittu meet a homemaker. She has a bundle of sticks on her head.
Pinni, what is a tree? It is firewood to cook meals for my family.
Ammu and Bittu keep going. Now they meet a traveler.
What is a tree? It is a shade. It is like umbrella for me.
Ammu walking a few steps. Ammu and Bittu see children playing under trees.
Look, your friends. Are you playing there?
All friends are coming. Ammu smiles at them. Then a mango falls down. All the children look up there. There are some birds and monkeys on the trees.
Parrot, what is it, dear? It is a place for me to live. It is my food. Monkey, what is it, dear? Same here, dear.
Ammu and Bittu play with their friends for some time. And they start walking back home.
Now I know what is a tree. It is everything
For
for me, for us. It is our life.